Fabric was created for the modern apparel entrepreneur. No experience is necessary. Almost any sewn product is possible. The internet provides an opportunity for entrepreneurs like you to sell niche products direct to consumer. Most large apparel brands are not filling a niche because they're targeting the masses, so their offerings are generic. Finding a unique product or one that's out of the normal size or height range is a challenge for most consumers. So Fabric helps apparel entrepreneurs like you fill a void in the market. Fabric is where a brand owner can come to find all of the resources they need at any stage of their business. So whether you're brand new to the apparel manufacturing industry or have experience and just need domestic resources, whether you're making men's, women's, children's, or even pet clothing, and whether you're designing evening wear, athletic wear, or underwear, even bags and accessories, or medical devices and other sewn product inventions, Fabric is for you.